Running again. Okay, cool. We're back in action. We're back in action. There we go. Okay, cool, wicked. Okay. So, good morning. Let me put this there. Happy new place. Good morning. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, yesterday was a busy day. Literally moved for like 8 hours straight. But nearly there now, to be honest. Gotta clean that flat though, but yeah, not too bad. Okay, let me just get on this. So yeah, good 5-minute trendline trade before. It was actually more than just a 5-minute trendline as well. It was like 30-minute closure above, retest. Same with the hourly, so it was beautiful. So well done, squad, for taking that. If we look at the chat over here. Yeah, a lot of people this morning took it. Very, very nice. Good stuff. So let me just put this here. So yeah, we'll do a little analysis here. Let me just go on my factory. In terms of today, yes, early bank holiday. Which is okay. In terms of news, obviously 12 o'clock we got some Euro news. President Lagarde speaks. And we have unemployment claims at 1:30. But apart from that, nothing too bad really today, which is good. Yeah, this week's been kind of hard for me in terms of just so busy. Trying to a prescription at the start of the week. I finally fixed that and then moving. So I've taken this week a little bit easier over here. So yeah, let me just get rid of all this. In terms of the targets and Goldie, actually I'll go for this 5-minute trend line just to show people. Well, I just burnt my fucking mouth. Holy, ow, that fucking hurt. Oh my god, that coffee. I just fucking nuked my taste buds. Okay, yeah, so 5-minute trend line. 1 tap here, 2 tap here, 3 touches there, and then we got a closure above. Now, in terms of the first closure above, this one here, it probably wasn't the best to enter because you haven't closed above this resistance, can you see? But that's okay. You need to also think as well that this candle here was the candle before the hourly close. So we normally like to get, we always like that the new hourly makes a lower wick. So I think, you know, you could have gotten that one, but for me, and it also didn't retest, right? So that's fine. Price pushes up. The good thing is now is that this candle here, with our 5-minute trend line rule, has closed above its current resistance. This one here. Okay, that's the first point of a 5-minute trend line. The second one is the zone big enough? Okay, so let's measure. Well, the first level that we're going to probably target is this level here. So is this zone big enough? Let's take a look. Yeah, actually, sorry for the retest here. Yeah, right, 17 pips, that's great. So 17 pips is good. And then obviously the third rule is looking at the 15 and the 30. Is there any, you know, resistance that we can't see on the lower time frames? And as you can see, there is not, right? This is a clean candle to mirror. Okay, so all of the rules are have been sorted out, and we can execute the trade. So there we go. People execute the trade there. I was too busy fucking around in the gaff, but as I said, this week I'm kind of taking it easy. But yeah, lower wick. People got on the lower wick. You've got the low, that whole candle, and then you just got that whole move for 35 pips with a 80 pip stop. Sorry, 8 pip stop. So there we go. Well done for people taking that. How's the new place? Oh, it's beautiful, man. It is very nice. I haven't really had a full day of just actually chilling about in it, as I've literally just moved in, but yeah, it's good. It's good stuff. So daily time frame on gold looking very, very good for buys actually. So we looked like we pushed down at the start of this week, but realistically we are just came back down to make some support to potentially continue further bullish. If you take a look at the weekly now, let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Yeah, so we've made the lower wick of the weekly. Maybe these last 2 days and we get a push. Obviously we still have some big res at 1800. That is the hottest coffee I've ever had. Holy Lord. But yeah, let's just mark these on. How's everyone's weeks been so far? For me, I had quite a hard day on Tuesday. I took 2 L's, which kind of mitigated my whole gold trade on Monday. So yeah, I'm pretty much at the break-even level from them 2 trades. Let me just go here. 4-hour time frame is bullish. We're at the resistance right now, but it does look like a good support forming the past couple hours, which is great. So that 5-minute trend line is gorgeous. Okay, so taking a look at it now, in terms of gold, yeah, that was pretty much the move. I think if you are looking for gold buys now, you're probably gonna have to wait above 1787 at least, to then potentially drive it to 1789. 20 pip zone or so, and if not, then you can look higher up, right? If we get a closure above 1790, then you know the next level that we could potentially continue to is 1793. So that's a 94. So that's like a 40 pip zone. The candles there are clean, just like they were when they went up, just like where they were when they came down. You can see in this area it moves pretty quickly. So I think a buy above 1790 would be pretty good to come and retest them areas. 1794. So let me just write this on. 1794. Okay, good stuff. And in terms of sells, yeah, sells are going to be probably a little bit harder, right? Because the overall direction is bullish. I think sells may come into play. I mean, you could potentially look below the Asian lows later on, or maybe below here, 1780. How would this look like on the 30-minute time frame? Yeah, I suppose it's the next zone. So the current zone, I wouldn't take any sells in, but I think maybe if it gets below 1780, then it could be okay to potentially continue further down. So I'll wait for that too. And the first level for the sells to get there, for TP, sorry, would be here. Second. Yeah. Back down to this level of support here, 1776. So another big zone. So gold has got some nice zones this week. Nice zones, 100%. So, can Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Hope you're doing well. Hope everyone in the Zoom is all good too. So yeah, that's what I'm really looking at on Goldie here. I think it's above 1790 is going to be a class trade later on, probably through NY session really. But yeah, realistically, that 5-minute trend line was the one this morning for Goldie. But see how it does when it reacts back to the Asian highs. That'll be good. Wow, GJ looks like shit again, like the fucking 30th day in the row. So daily time frame, bullish. The last one didn't really close above res, but this one has made a little wick, and it's still above our level that we talked about, 166,800. GJ makes me cry, to be honest. Yeah, I'm really not a fan of GJ recently. It's been pretty fucking shit. 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have a lower wick that's already been formed. The 4-hour has closed above current res, but obviously you can see here realistically this whole area looks like a piece of shit. Okay, so, and it has been doing that from the start, so I'm not really too asked about taking buys at these levels. We've seen it react off these levels like 30 times. I don't really care about my 10 or 15 pips at this level. I really want it to get above all this, so, to be honest. So let's take a look then. Where would that be? Yeah, it'd probably be like over here, 167,500, and then we're very close. Let's take a look to our other levels, and then above is a little bit sus too. So yeah, it's not nice. It's not nice at all. It's not nice for the buys. Let's take a look how the weekly's actually looking, because the weekly kind of should show its direction now. Yeah, it's coming back up. It is a level of resistance though, so I will not be participating in GJ buys today. I do not think at these highs anyway. So right now we've got a ooh, that's a bit of an M formation, by the way, and it's at support as well. I'm just thinking to come back to them highs. Let's take a look how the 4-hour looks. So 4 hours made the lower wick. Yeah, there's a little one here. Oh shit, 1 second. What about gold buy right now? I'll take a look. Sorry, a W formation. Closure above, retest. Yeah, that's nice. What about the gold buy now? Let's take a look. Gold buy now. 50-minute just closed bullish, bearish. We've already tapped the previous resistance, so I think you've missed the buys, brother. If you wanted to take the buys in the 50-minute time frame, it would have been this, either on the flip or on the retest. For me, it would be the retest that we discussed. It'd be like that. So if you didn't get that move, I think the buys are done now. Check on the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute. Broken the low of the previous, so, and we've already came to the resistance. 30-minute is, it's fine, but it's already done the move, right? All you gotta do is look at this, right? This level's clean here, and this level will be clean back up. Apart from that, that's the move done. You need to be very, very much, patient with yourself and just go, that was the move. Happy that everyone else in the group took it. If you missed the trade, then you missed the trade. See, look, Colin, damn nice gold trade, guys, was asleep, right? So sometimes you just got to go and you go, you know what? I missed the move this morning. It was at 6 a.m., very, very early on. Move on. I've got to wait for some next zones to break now. That was the move in this zone. Let's take a look at spreads on GJ before I even start participating in fucking GJ moves. Yeah, 1.7. Spreads really are shit on GJ recently. So yeah, I took gold buys at 6.15 based on 1 hour closure above with a buy stop above previous high, which is 4-hour current low. Beautiful work. Well done, man. Well done. Really good work. Take a look at EJ as well. But yeah, oh, Tyler's in the building. Morning, Tyler. Let's get some mics on. I don't want to speak to myself this morning.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. How's your week gone, man? How was yesterday?
Yesterday I actually didn't trade yesterday. I wasn't on.
Yeah, you relaxed a little bit, eh?
Yeah, I slept at night. It was weird.
at night, wow, that's different for you, eh?
Yeah. Being in the US, doing London and New York, so I'm up all night.
Wow.
But yeah, no, it's alright though.
Yeah, it's been chilling. I think me moving in was a bit of a stressful period. I kind of wanted to get that out of the way. So yesterday I went full guns blazing. Moved everything by myself as well, man. It was fucking tiring.
That's rough.
Yeah, it was a bit rough. Oh, have you guys seen that whole AI on TikTok that's been going viral?
I was playing with that for like 4 hours last night.
Yeah, that shit's mad.
That's what I was doing instead of trading.
What's it called again?
Chat GP. It's OpenAI.
Yeah,
Yeah.
GPT. Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, so I signed up. It's free account, all that, but
Yeah. Wow, I'm gonna try this shit. Yeah, sign up. Yeah.
you can sign in with Google.
Ah, sick. Okay, I'll do that. Been seeing it on like things like wow, like doing your homework and shit, and like writing code and like fixing your code and stuff. Man, that is gonna change. Like, ridiculous.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. If you don't know what we're talking about, I'll show you in a second. You're gonna be fucking mind boggled. I actually messaged my dad about it yesterday. I was like, wow, this is sick. This is some nerdy shit. Let me just log into it.
Yeah, so right now they're making it free, but I don't know how long they'll keep it that way.
Yeah, how they're gonna monetize it. It's true.
Yeah, I went on their Discord. People are having a lot of fun.
Wait, what? What's this? Oh shit! I'm exploring for personal use. There we go. So yeah, we'll take a look at EJ as well. Goldie's done, and GJ, as I said, yeah, I'm not really looking at GJ, man. This area is whack. I like the rejection wicks from here, so I do actually expect price to probably continue back to the high, maybe flip that 4 hour, but I'm just not playing with it. I think it looks shit. So let's take a look at this OpenAI thing. Actually, what's it called? What is it called? Just type in OpenAI or what was it called? Chat GPT. Yeah, Chat GPT. Will that AI teach me how to trade? Well, let's find out. Okay. Where the fuck is it?
So go back to the last page you were on.
Oh. Here?
Yeah, hit yeah.
Does it log me in?
Hit that.
Oh, there, log in.
And then log in. Alright. So so like type write me a song or poem or anything.
About love. Like what? Look at this shit. Right, it's a full poem. And apparently you can ask it, like, you can tell you what grade, like, if you ask it to, like, write you an essay, you can also ask it, like, what grade would it be and how could it be improved? Like, what?
Yeah.
So if you do here, like, write a code. But the thing is, though, I need to know more terminology, don't I? Write a code to buy US 100 when price taps what was it? What do people like using the EMA 100?
Oh yeah.
Let's see. See, obviously my terminology is not good at all. Yeah, I have to be a bit more specific, I think.
No. So to get it to do that,
Python.
you would write it differently.
Yeah. I saw someone do it on TikTok. I was like, whoa, I could just write your whole code here. What the fuck? Let's ask it. Should I buy gold right now? I don't have access to current market information. Right. Let's see about the chat.
Check out their Discord later on when you're free.
They got a Discord.
Yeah, there's a Discord with a bunch of the stuff people are doing on this.
Look at that. Write an essay about the characters of mice and men. Just gonna write me a whole fucking essay. Man, the homework would be so fucking easy. Oh my god, if I was at school right now, I'd just fucking yeet that shit in. Oh my god. How could this be improved? Look at that. It tells you how it could be improved as well. What the fuck? Man, that would be bunking off school so easy. That's so OP, yeah, I know. Yeah, that's like what people are asking it. And is it learning every time? Like, it's learning every time people ask it shit and stuff. Mad. How do people even do that stuff, man?
Lots of money.
Yeah. Apparently people are saying that like software engineers and stuff are going to be like struggling to like, if they're not a good one and they can't program that or they can't use it to its advantage, you're going to be pretty shit.
Yeah, low-level programmers.
Yeah.
Because that can do basically what they do.
Yeah, yeah. Can I like make a website? Can I like ask you to make your website?
I don't know. I bet you can ask it for the code for a website in whatever language you want it in.
Ask how to be the best in the world. See what it says. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun doing this when we're just waiting for charge.
But like I don't have the software on my computer, like Python or whatever it's called. But like you can ask it to write you make you a game for 2 players, and then it like gives you the code for it. But I don't know how it works.
Really? Wow. Look at that.
Ask it to make a rap song.
Yeah, that's true. Rap song. Just gonna pump out some.
If it's good, I'm gonna take it to the beach.
Maybe it has to be make a
Hit song.
Nah, it doesn't know that shit yet. Doesn't have Jay-Z in the back.
I had it write a song earlier. I wonder why it can't do that.
I think it doesn't like the term R&B or rap. I think if you just write it, like make a song. Oh, no, it doesn't.
Say write a song. See if it does that.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, you gotta just refresh your page, man. No, like just at the top, your browser.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, when it starts doing that, you just gotta refresh it, man.
Yeah. Oh my god. Fuck. Chorus. That's pretty easy.
You can tell it what to write about.
Yeah. Wait.
Write me a song about gold.
Right.
See, the problem is, how am I supposed to know what to write that on, though? What to like sing that on?
Well, I think you can ask it for like the melody or chord progressions and stuff like that too.
Oh my god.
See,
Write me a song about Star Wars.
That's hard.
It's fucking boshing it. A galaxy far, far away. Oh
Wow,
my god.
Tatooine.
Oh my god. That shit is mad. Oh my god, the English homework would be amazing. Anyway, so looking like GJ has reflipped, which makes sense, right? Looking like there is quite a big support here at 168,750, big psychological level. Same with EJ above actually doesn't look too bad, above 144. Kind of did it yesterday. I think Michael took that trade yesterday, which is pretty good. Yeah, I quite like it above 1.4. I think the zone's quite big. Like 60 pips or something, so I quite like. The only issue is I'm pretty sure there's news in there. Let's take a look. There's always so much Euro news everywhere. Let's take a look here. Oh, it's at 12 o'clock. It's ages away. That's good then. That's good, that's good. So yeah, in terms of that day where I got the 2 L's, I'll just show you what really happened. I kind of overtraded in the last one. I was kind of pissed off with that. But anyway, let's just do some.
I'm holding gold to 1789. I don't care.
Very nice.
I'm just holding this shit.
So yeah, obviously I was bearish for that whole day, and we had such a bearish move here. All I was waiting for was a retracement. So price came up, and at this point here, we started to make some resistance. The one thing that I did probably wrong in this level was that the M formation wasn't at a res, right? I expected the res to be there, but let's just go through it. So, yeah, there's a little M here which was formed. It's closed below. I got the retest, and I got slapped there, which is okay. And then we've got another example, which is actually more of a resistance forming now, of another M formation, closure above, retest. So I took this trade here. Got to run out of 14 pips profit, but in terms of the zone, if you actually look at the zone was big enough for me to hold, and I expected the comics to help me push down, but it didn't. We worked back up, and that stopped me out of break even. I then re-entered on the retest, which then fortunately hit me out. But overall, if you actually take a look here, yeah, it was a bit unfortunate because I got stopped out. My stop loss was above there on the previous 30-minute high. If you take a look here, my stop loss was there, and I got stopped out by like 1 pip, which is kind of bullshit. My full TP and where I was going to actually close first profits was right around here. So if I just survived that candle, I would have got my my 40 pip move or something. But that's what it is. Comics kind of fucked me. But yeah, the 14 pip was quite a nice stinking move. But anywho. And then, yeah, let's take a look at yesterday. I didn't look at the charts at all yesterday, apart from maybe when I was moving some boxes. And in terms of Goldie, I had something marked up. What time is that at? Oh, that's 4:30. Yeah, so kind of a solid range that we had yesterday. And then we had some kind of bullish candles. And the only way, because obviously if you look here, this was the resistance. Let me just get this out. This was the resistance here. Right there. This candle closed above, and I think everyone was waiting for the 30 minutes to close above, and then obviously we just launched. So the only realistic way would have been on the 15-minute time frame. So if you look at the 15, this was resistance again, like I talked about. Look at that. Okay. Still, to be honest with you, 15 didn't really close above. Yeah, I think maybe just unfortunate yesterday. The only real way to have got that is when this 15. I thought that this 15 closed above there, but it didn't actually. So I think, yeah, the only real way was if you impulsed it there. But would you really want to impulse it there? Raja took a fucking trade and a half. Where did he take it? The fuck did he take it? I think he got in on the. I have no idea where Raja got his trade, but he got in very, very early. Oh no, he got in with comics, didn't he? Yeah, he got in here. Them areas too, and made the lower wicks. Nice. So yeah, yesterday, I suppose the gold entry there was maybe a little bit harder because there's no low wick on the 30. My dumbass put a buy stop on gold yesterday, 5 lot instead of 1 lot, and didn't get triggered on gold buys yesterday, and might open. Oh. You got in just before comics open? Yeah. Yeah. That just shocks the market by his trades. He's fucking compounding that account so well, eh? So yeah, I mean, I was gonna draw a trend line. The actual trend line I looked this morning, my dumbass, was looking at a selling trend line, and forgetting that the actual, I'm pretty sure at the time I was looking at it, it was actually the buy trend line coming through. And in terms of the selling trend line, I don't think I'm gonna look at one because the overall trend really was that it's just a support. Yeah. So I think, you know, for me here, that for the sells, this is just a very, very keen support, and I need to get a closure below it. So yeah. So yeah, we'll see how we can do over here. 7:30, got a little bit of a while. This GJ, has anyone got any ideas on GJ? Let's put some charts in the chat, guys. I'm gonna get a bit more arsy with that. I really want some charts to look at because I want to see other people's, especially in the mornings, like before we start. You know, when I've got like my little screen. Try and maybe send some charts in just in terms of your zones, and then we can all see and discuss each other's zones. It'll make life much easier in terms of for people who are struggling and stuff to see other people's charts. It would be great. But yeah, in terms of this morning, that gold trade there was nice. It was good shit. It was good shit. Did you all get the same entry? Let's take a look. Got in maybe a little bit higher in terms of that one. Nice though. Good work, Shady. Goji, good work. Oh wow, nearly to the pip of that low. Very, very nice. Let's see what Rye got. Yeah, so you all got like the same level, which is good. Very, very nice. Good execution there. 100,000 compounded at 1% a day. 200 days becomes 700k. Compounding is crazy. 100%. 100%. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do my copy. I'm gonna have to write in all my trades over here because I haven't added on my other ones. Yeah, pretty boring start to be honest. Exactly, man. That's what we always talk about. That's the whole thing of this, and this is why I always, like, you know, always follow the people that show the percentage gains because you can get a really good thing. Like, try not to think about in terms of wins and losses. I see a lot of people, you know, will use this and they'll have like 10 pip win and 8 pip loss, or 20 pip win and a 10 pip loss. But you need to really look at the percentage gain in terms of, you know, if you're using percentage risk. You know, it's all down to your stops. If you've got a 20 pip stop and you close at 10 pips and you risk 1%, you've made 0.5%. You need to be able to see that because sometimes you can look and you've got some high wins. Like look at this, 16 wins, 3 losses. You know, if you don't have the percentage gain though, you could get a bit of a false number, false representation. So you got to remember that. So yeah, in terms of this weekly over here, obviously it didn't close above the resistance, so we didn't really expect it to break. But I think maybe for the next week, if we do get a closure above 1803, would be nice. In terms of the rest of the year, I think we're probably going to finish. I don't actually know when I go to Ireland, but I think it's the 22nd, so maybe the 21st. So we've still got a while, which is good. Looking like some good price action this morning. The 15-minute time frame is looking clean. But yeah, I always say that, right? If you've missed the move to the left-hand side here, then just chill out. You've lost it, so you've missed it. Just look for the next one.
Hey, what do you have your zone marked out on GJ for buys?
167,500.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nasty, man. I want to get rid of all them wicks, to be honest with you. I'd probably, to be honest with you, what I would do in GJ and this, I would just wait for price to break and then make some support, and then take the support forming. I don't think I would want to take the breaks. It's just too rejecty around them areas there. Ugh.
Yeah, none of the like there's closures above on every different time frame till you get above that zone.
Yeah.
Like the 4 hour has the lowest closure.
Yeah. It's just
then the hourly is a little bit higher than that. Then the 30 is higher than that. It's like, oh my god.
Yeah. just in a bit of a sticky situation, I think. 167 as well, big psychological level there. It's holding. 100,000 pounds. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'm gonna play with this. I'm gonna show my dad this. I think he'll love it. Alright. Wait, let's take a look at the Discord. If people putting in things, let's take a look. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, I just think I joined it, the actual thing. Every time you stream, market acts choppy. I don't know where.
I don't see the symbol on your thing.
No. I'll sort it out later. Every time you stream. And what's the comic strategy circling around? Strategy? I don't think there's much of strategy. There's a lot of volume there, and if there's a zone that it's about to break, it's probably going to break it with comics. I think that's the main kind of ethos from it.
Oh no! On the Discord, someone who just posted this. I'll put it in the I'll put it in the Telegram.
Are you implementing it? We watch it in terms of comics, yeah. The issue is that sometimes comics can do the opposite and run the other way, which is what it did a couple of days ago with my trade. So it's a work in progress. But yeah, I still look at it. I think Don's looking at it as well. Just because there's a lot of volume there. If you get the right direction, it's not too bad. Check something. There we go. So yeah, looking like GJ's maybe rejecting them highs a little bit over here, especially on the 15, pushing down. Yeah, so 167 is a big level, right? So yeah, I mean, in terms of this year, it's starting to look at like, you know, the whole year, and I think actually trading in the last year, especially in the lower time frames, has been, you know, evolving every single month. I'm trying to think what Kane's doing there. But in terms of the gains, obviously, I think we went through the compounding, and I'm pretty sure I remember starting off with around about 100,000 this year, and I've withdrew probably around about 50k, and my account's now 170. So it's a good gain. A good gain. So yeah, if you started with me in start of March, about 27,000 with a 10k starting, you'd be like 27, which is a good little gain. So yeah, we'll see what next year has. Through the holidays, I'm going to go through a lot of things, go through a lot of backtesting, really refine my entries, and then we'll be back in the new year, which would be nice. And I think, to be honest with you, looking at the trades taken, I'm going to probably windle off a lot of GJ, to be honest with you. Yeah. I think I'm gonna windle off a little bit of GJ. Because just take a look at GJ as a whole. Let's take a look like from September. Yeah, I'll do September. So GJL, GJ win, GJ break even, GJW. So 2 wins, 1 loss there. 1, 2, 3. 2 L's there, 2 wins. Because obviously the spread as well is kind of putting me off looking at it. GJ here, 1 W there, 1 L, break even, L, W. So yeah, it's pretty much it's not doing me much, to be honest, GJ. I'd rather kind of hold in on Goldie, to be honest with you. Only EJ has good setup. Yeah, I think for buys above, I think if you get a closure there. What are you taking? Max, go on the monthly and look at December for the last 5 years. It's been bullish. Really? Shit. Every single year? Now that is mad. Yeah, another bullish one. Another bullish one, yeah. Interesting. It's a bullish month, man. Bullish month. Good morning, Maximus. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone's weeks going so far? Mine's pretty much. I mean, if I obviously in the actual signals will be down, but with that Goldie trade that I hope everyone taking, you should be alright this week. But yeah, it's been kind of a heavy week for me in terms of moving and all that kind of stuff. I gotta clean my PC today again. There's so much dust on that shit. But yeah, I got the LED lights. Oh, I'll show you what I've just ordered. This shit is nerdy, man. It's a little welcoming present that I bought. I'll show you. This is pretty cool. So then you could buy a bin and stuff. But you know, a bin. Look at this. Stormtrooper ends. Wow.
That's pretty sick.
That's sick, isn't it? A little model thing. And the hand painted as well. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'll be coming today. Look, shit. Right, fuck up. So yeah. Has there been any trades in terms of GJ this week? Has anyone actually seen any good ones? Take a look. Let's take a look back at this week. And GJ, it's been a lot of just kind of impulsive moves, eh? Look at that 4 o'clock run there on Tuesday. Monday. Yeah, kind of nasty. Tuesday. Salary play at 6:15. Man, these early morning trades. You just shite this week, my god. Tell the price action, yeah. There's a salary play there. How does that look like on the 30-minute? Yeah, it was a 30-minute flip as well. So that was pretty decent. How much was stops in the current candle? Yeah, 10 pips. That was nice. Nothing else coming down really. Then range, launch up, goes all the way down. Next day. Another salary play at 6:15. Support forming. Was that the 30-minute support forming too? Yeah. Wow. So pretty much every single 6 o'clock today has been pretty good, eh? This week. You could have had that on Tuesday. You could have that on Wednesday. You could have had the Goldie on Thursday. And that would be your week done, pretty much. Very nice. Was there any more later on? Another celery there at 8 o'clock, but nothing really with it, was there? Yeah, it was a little bit sus. Some support forming later on, potentially. That was a very, very strong candle. Stop loss below would be, yeah, huge. Couldn't really take that. Was an M formation at these highs? Oh, Brian, do you take this? Let's take a look then if it was a valid one. At resistance, yeah, you'd say it's at resistance. It's quite a big resistance. 5-minute time frame here. Drop down. Oh, that was beautiful. M formation at resistance, closure below, retest, neckline, stop loss above. Can TP1 to the wicks. How big was your stop? 10 pip stop, 15, 16 pip gain. Wow. Very nice. So yeah, I mean, not many moves, you know what I mean? Like, you know, if you haven't been up at 6 AM, you've pretty much missed all this. I've just got it, yeah, the new beds here are nice. They're like firmer, and I've seen there seemed to be a nice sleep last night, which is good. Which is good. I looked at Capital Hungary, and he stated that due to holidays, extra dollars should be bearish unless this economic news would change the price action, meaning gold bulls. Yeah, 100%. 100%. How many pairs do you usually trade? Just 2 or 3. Yeah, just 2 or 3. Keep it, a small amount of charts. You know, I always see people doing way too many charts. Like, you know, I feel people think, you know, if I have more charts, then I can make 1% on one chart, then I can make 4% on 4 charts. It's like, well, no, because you don't know how things move. There's also a lot more news to look at. You need to remember, and I think this is quite an interesting thing, a lot of swing traders do a lot of pairs, right? But the only reason why they do a lot of pairs is because a lot of their trades don't work out. So they've got to have fucking 7 pairs because one of them has to work. Whereas, you know, if you day trade and stuff, just keep it to 2 pairs, really. 2 pairs, and then just study the shit out of it. And, you know, it'll be good. What I would even do if I and this is kind of what I actually did. This is actually definitely what I did. In uni, when I was just learning, like at the start, I actually only focused on like 2 hours because, you know, it is a lot of doing a lot of hours. I only focused on 2 hours, and I'm at uni, man. I'm going out like pretty much every night. I'm not fucking doing the London session, so I didn't do London session the whole of uni. But what I did do was just NY session at 12 o'clock or 11:30. And finished at 1:30. That's all I did. And there's always a gold trade in there, right around, and then just bunked it off for the next day. Because realistically, if you can get to that point, which what you should do actually, if you're back testing, you know, focus on like 1 hour or 1.5 hours. This is exactly what Ted did, and just focus on it so much, and it, you know, it's such a small amount of your day. If you can just, you know, have that for like an hour. And you just make, you know, maybe 1%. Let's just say that you take, obviously you're just looking at 1 hour in one day. Probably only going to take 1 trade in the day, if that. So on average, you're probably going to have around about 20 trades, right? 20 trades. You risk 1.4% on them. Obviously, with a 70-80% win rate with volume, then you know, you're going to be up with a big percentage. I think people forget that, you know, if you took, you know, 1 trade every single day, 1:30, make sure, you know, you get the right direction, you've got the volume, you've got the clean counts to the left, and you take, you know, your 1.4%, you do that 20 times, it's gonna be good, which is what I'm gonna, go back to. I feel like I'm looking for too many trades. I'd rather just get the nicest ones. So I'm gonna go back to basics through this summer holiday, and I'm gonna refine it a little bit easier. Bloodbath next week. Yeah, a lot of news, isn't there? Which is the same with this week for me, to be honest. But I've been busy, man. I've been moving. Normal people with moving would have just sacked off the whole week, but I made an effort. So GDP for GBP, that'll be good, interesting. Yeah, climate count change on 7 a.m. 1:30 CPI Wednesday FOMC. Oh my god. Oh my god, the news next week. Yeah, so I think in terms of next week, I'm not going to say it anymore because people are sick of me saying, oh, I'm going to get up early. I never do, so whatever. We'll see next week. Boys and girls, I did not sleep last night, so I'm going to bed now. Oh, very nice. Have a good sleep. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Max, could you give a shout out to Logan? Hello, Logan. Hope you're doing well. I'm struggling with discipline and over trading. A lot of any advice? You've already just told yourself the advice, brother. Stop over trading. Focus. If you're over trading, then really reduce your hours of just trading. If I had to start right now as a complete beginner, I'd come to this stream. I'd look around at other streamers as well in London. Look at what it's about. And then I'd go to probably Don's stream, because Don's way of trading is so damn fucking easy. It is so easy in NY. It's so easy to get your head around. It's so easy in terms of taking your entries because you only wait 30 in hourlies. It's so easy to get that level. And people will always go, oh, but Don's R2R shit. Well, just fucking change the stop loss then, you donkey. Right? If he's running, a 35 pip stop or whatever, and he's got it on the 30 minute, then how about use the 15? It's very, very simple. And then once you get to that area, then all you got to do is just focus on the hour. And right now, I'd focus on maybe. I wouldn't focus on 11 till 12 or 12 till 1. 12 till 1 is shit with gold recently. I'd focus on 1 till 2:30, and you probably have your trade before you even get to 2:30. So it's probably going to be about an hour and 15 minutes. I'd focus on that, and what I'd do is go back testing and do start in January, and I'd bash it out every single day. And why? Wait, what's this? And why do you not go way of Don? What do you see something different? No, I take a lot of Don's trades. We all take me and Don. I can mark up my charts for NY session and know exactly what trade he's gonna take. In fact, I do it every day. Every day I'll go. People in the chat will go, oh, Don's looking at a trade. I go, yeah, it'll be this trade, XYZ. So it's just about, refining for what you like. For me, for example, I don't really like having big stops. So I look at maybe managing my stops, like having maybe a little bit easier stops on the eye. For example, I'll use current candle a lot more than he will. He'll use the previous candle. But it's just down to your backtesting. And that's why I always say go to the backtesting software and just bash out that hour all year. Start from January, because it's very simple backtesting. All you got to do is skip to the next day at 1 o'clock and just keep on doing it. And you'll just see some patterns. Literally, when I was learning how to trade and I was on Radio's stream, every fucking day, Ted sounded like he's just woken up. You go, what up, guys? I'm seeing gold going down here. He'll take his trade in like 30 minutes, and then you'll go back to bed. You'll fucking dip. Like, that is sick. That's what you want from trading, But over trading and, over risking and all that kind of shit, just malarkey, just take that shit off, man. If you're gonna do that, just go to the fucking casino. Mm-hmm. 1 second. Okay, so 8 o'clock's happening right now. EJ looks like the one potential maybe in the next 15 minutes or so. It's a no-go for GJ today. Yeah, I agree. It's good shit. Oh my god, Lyrics. What were you playing? Casino. Man, I went to the casino with my friends and I didn't play. I just sat there. Bye, I love you. See you later. I just sat there and watched my friends lose all their money. Roulette. Yeah, I just sat and all my friends came out after and they were like, man, I'm fucking pissed off. One of them lost 500 quid because he's a fucking spacker. And they go, Max, why didn't you join? And I go, bro, I risk my money on a daily basis. The weekend is for relaxing. I can't be asked to do that on the fucking weekend, bro. So 8 o'clock's opened, looking like 30-minute time frame when gold's pushed down. Yeah, it's a little bit of a range right now. It's okay. Any advice on taking phase 1 evaluation? If you need advice for taking phase 1 evaluation, you're not ready for it, brother. Sorry to tell you. You need to know the complete plan when you start. You need to know what trades you're going to be taking. You need to know how much you're going to be risking. You need to know how many trades you're going to be taking maximum. You need to know how the news is going to look for the week that you're going to be trading the phase 1. You need all of these things completely ready before you trade. Asking me ain't going to help. You've already lost the battle, boy. You're not ready. So yeah, probably just going to watch EJ here. I don't want to go break even at the Forex. It's ages away actually. Nice. Max, what do you reckon about hedging? I think the only people that use hedging are people that can't trade. In Forex space, right? Because if you actually think about what hedging is, the reason why I say this is because when I was younger, that's what I did, because I thought I was fucking cool. Oh, I'm hedging. No, I just down £300, and I don't want to lose any more, so I took a buy with my sell, and now I'm just in £300 drawdown. So, if you're hedging something, it means that your trade's lost, and you can't take the fact that you've lost the trade, and now you're just gonna hold a load of drawdown for ages. I don't know, man. Dollars trading is very, very defensive. Like yesterday, half the world took gold buys in my open after it broke above structure, but he didn't because there's no 30-minute bottom wick. Yeah, there's no 30-minute bottom wick, so I wouldn't have taken it either. It's 30-minute close. No bottom wick. You wait for the bottom wick to form, and then you get the break of the high, stop loss above. It's just how he enters. I don't think It's like trying to shoot a gun. You're ready. You've pointed your pointer to the bullseye that you're gonna hit with your AK, and then you realize your magazine isn't loaded, so you're not gonna take the trade. It's not ready. It's just one of the rules. I feel people get butthurt on people's discipline with certain trades when that's what's got them there, man. If it doesn't form exactly how they want, then they fucking leave it. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Yeah, I tell you what, this gaff is a really good motivator. I tell you that right now. Like, I'm going downstairs, people they're in office, they're in their work things. There's loads and loads of social media people here. I've fucking seen them all with their ring lights, all bloody influencers. Apparently there's another trader in the building as well. I want to go see it.
Oh yeah, your new place?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Nice.
So So after this, I'll go in the yoga room downstairs. There's a yoga room downstairs, and you can Chromecast the thing. So I'm gonna have the fucking charts on. So don't miss a move. It's pretty cool.
GJ hourly looks good to go down, but like I don't like the range.
Yeah. 4 hour looks sus. For sales.
It all looks everything. GJ's for today.
Yeah. GJ's pretty washed. Recently, it's just been the celery plays, eh? There's been a lot of celeries. If you just took every celery this week, let's take a look, right? So there's absolutely no. Like, look, just take every single celery that makes sense, right? So, I suppose that's a support forming and a celery, which you could have taken. So let's just see you taking all of them, right? So there's the first one. That actually didn't break the low yet, so it isn't really a celery because the other one didn't break. So it's okay. This one had no low wick, so I wouldn't have taken it, I don't think. That one, though, might have taken. That's a 530, doesn't matter. We wouldn't have taken that. This one here that we talked about before, that's a good celery, support forming as well. Stop loss could have been there for 10 pips. TP would have been the resistance there for TP1, and TP2 would be at the next rest. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Our session again, another celery play. There, stop loss below.
When is this happening? About 7:30 your time?
What? This one? That?
Is that like?
That was 6:15, bro. Yeah,
Oh,
it's fucking early, but we'll get there. We'll get there. My time clock yesterday, I was not getting up anything earlier than fucking 6:30. I went to bed at like 1, trying to fucking sort out my room. That's at 8 o'clock. Is there anything else there? No. So there you go, man. You would have had 1, 2, 3. 3 trades, 3 winners. Just the celeries. Just the celeries, bro. Let's take a look at Goldie. Goldie isn't doing too much either, but Goldie's had a big move, big runs this week, man. There's been some nice candles. But yeah, that 5-minute trend line this morning was the trade there. Beautiful. Give it maxi NY volume. I think the volume, most of the volume has been really in London, especially pre-London, like right early. I watched.
Asian had a few big moves this week.
On
gold.
Agreed. 100%. This one here was nice. Celery, clean candles to the left. That was nice at 1 o'clock or 45 minutes past 12. Yeah, Asian moved a lot with GJ. Some big candles there. Some big candles. So we'll do simulation session today. We'll do another GJ. So we did gold last week, didn't we? So we'll do GJ as well. Max asking, what is your view for you? Do you think chasing both session London and NY is going good to your statistic? I think overall 100%, yeah. 100%. Because actually, and especially in my big months, they're actually split between London and NY, so yeah. But to be honest with you, if I wasn't teaching people and doing that whole side of it, I'd probably just stick to.
I'm trying to think if my break even is going to get hit before this 4 hour total week's going to.
What are you in again?
Good.
What price are you in again? And the 4 hour flip are you in? It's a hard one to decide where it's going to push, to be honest.
Wait, who's in?
Lewis. Quickly go to the toilet. Be 1 second. So bro, this morning, yeah, it's because I'm back on, bro. Let's look at GJ now. Looking like we're coming up. Coming up. Broken the 15-minute highs. Yeah, the 4-hour does like that level of support. Some nice volume coming in. 3 minutes pushing as well. So may continue. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Hey Max, just stopped while explaining for a session if you would not do live streams. Yeah, if I was not doing like the live streams and if I was just trading by myself, I'd probably stick to the morning, to be honest. What I'd do is I would stick to the morning. I'd do like early on, and then completely break until 1 o'clock, and then at 1 o'clock. Or like 1:30, and then I'll mark gold and maybe take a gold trade. That's what I would do. Fill in the blanks now, for fuck's sake. Is EJ getting up there? Nearly. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on EJ. I think that's probably going to be the one I like. The 4-hour will be, because at the time as well, the 4-hour will be breaking the previous high and it'll be breaking current daily highs too. So, and also be breaking Asian highs. So I think EJ is probably the most reasonable one. Oh my god, that's funny, Tyler. If Elon Musk was a monkey, describe him using an emoji.
Oh, you just read that?
Yeah.
That's what I was laughing at earlier.
Yeah.
That was on their Discord.
Le Discord. This previous candle as well would be pretty good. 850. We're very, very close. Stops are quite big, but that's okay.
Oh.
That's what I like. That's what I like. Looking good if you get this closure above. Yeah, we didn't. That's okay though. Wait for the 30. Seems to not really fly at that zone straight away, so it's all good. Wait for this 30 to close.
It's the same level like yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. You took that celery, eh?
Yeah, I took a 6p plus in the first place.
Mm-hmm.
You can see one candle is close above and the second one, yeah, there.
Yeah, it goes bearish again. Nice response.
And I took the I was looking for a 5-minute retest, not a celery in the first place.
Mm-hmm.
Check the 5.
Like here.
Let me check.
That was nice.
Just closed all my entries on board.
Nice.
It was annoying though, because obviously I have one of my entries at 84.
The
And that was
920 candle.
top.
920 with a long wick. You see? Right, and then no. Go to right. Maybe 5 candles. One more.
Oh, that one? Yeah,
That one.
yeah, that was nice. Yeah, that's some good shit.
Currently down 1.4k this week.
Oh,
Yeah. I was down more before that gold trade, bro.
oh really?
It's not that bad, to be honest, though. Like, because obviously with funded account, it sounds bad when you say 1.4. I just think of it like this: if I was on a 10k account, that'd only be 140 pounds.
Yeah, that's not bad. So good.
I heard someone say about like a funded account as well. I personally think trading a funded account is harder than an actual account.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Way harder, because you see, like, the way I thought of it is like, if you do 100k, you only have like 10k or like 5k, so you basically have to turn 10k to like and make 8k profit.
Yeah, well, it's just, you got parameters. That's all. You know, it's annoying. You got fucking parameters that you have to stick to.
Obviously, I personally think the best strategy for funded accounts is like yours and like Don's.
100%.
Like, because because when I started trading funded, that's when I got into like your style, because I like on my live accounts I don't really trade like that. More really put like sell limits and buy limits instead of sell stocks and buy stocks. But no, since I've started trading like funded, I actually started enjoying like your stuff.
100%. I'm trying to look at this 500 trend line because it is a reasonable zone. If you go back down to the lows, take a look at the 30. The only issue is that you'd be taking this sell right at 30 res and 15 res. Can you see? So that's the only real issue with it. How much would your stop be if you got the retest? It'd be only 16 pips. Only 16 pips. Which is not too bad. Owlie's got no total wick. We'll see. EJ rejecting, but it's good, man. As long as we get that closure later on, I think we're going to be class. It did just tap the Asian high, so we'll have to see how it deals with that. But right now, we're chilling, man. We're chilling. Is anyone in the chat taking anything London Open? Anyone in the YouTube chat or anyone in the Zoom chat? It's a nice strong closure on gold. could be interesting now, eh? It's closed below, which is nice. Ah, I broke the lows already. I was thinking maybe get the retest. Broken the lows already. Looking like Goldie's coming down, down, down. Down, 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 down. 15 did close above though. 9 minutes left. See if we can maybe make the reflip. Left traffic not the best. Yeah, the only one rule that we've got here is that, yeah, I mean, route to the first support is 1783. But yeah, the 15 didn't really close, but still reject. But it's looking like a strong candle. You might just have the volume for it. So for me here, it's just the EJ I gotta wait for here. The zone above is clean. Going to target like 200 first. Heard someone placing trades. Check go pam pam pam.
Oh, I think that was me getting ready for gold to move up or down, putting stops on.
Wait, did you get in a trade?
No, I was just getting ready. So put a stop above my Asian and below my Asian range, and then a really tight trailing stop. Because if it pushes, I'll just catch it. But it's been kind of boring this morning, man.
Yeah. It's all good, it's all good. It's Euro holiday, you think it's valid to trade EJ? It's only Italian. So, it's fine. Not too bothered. If it was the whole of the Euro, then I would be a bit cautious, but it's just Italian. Yeah, next week is gonna be fun. Italiano. It's only Portugal, Malta, Italy, and Australia. Ah, I see a couple of them. Yeah, they're kind of the small countries anyway. I like sell GJ below 166,750. Ah, it's a shame because the only issue with 750 is it coming back down to the support, 4-hour support. It's just a little bit nasty. Goldie's pushed down, very very nice. Strong candles too, man. Look at the 15 filled that area again. So you can see, like, from 1785 to 1784, that level just feels so quick. And well done for the 5-minute trend line this morning, guys, if you took it. Because actually it was a little bit harder for you, because it came up first, then it came and got the retest at the start of the hourly, so you had to wait a little bit longer, but beautiful, man.
We'll just tap in a 5-minute. We'll be on the 15.
It's already got mitigating the last one, but yeah, I see. But this is the one that I wouldn't take, even if it was a massive OB and didn't get touched. We wouldn't take this because, well, I wouldn't anyway, because in terms of the direction, this is the high, this is the lower high, this is the lower high. You know what I mean? This is the low, this is the low, this is the low. So this realistically should break that and make the new lower low, and then make a new lower high. You know what I mean? So this isn't safe. It's the goodness the opposite way. So if there was an OB there, which, you know, or there, then that's, you know, the next high, then ride it back down. That's what I've
Yep.
noticed on them. Good. Was going to take a break with a 50-minute low. Rip still good to miss a trade. Confirms your thinking. 100%. Exactly. That's what you need to have, man. Some positive thought. Even if you've missed a trade, like I missed the gold one this morning, but it was great in terms of the green candles, the closure above on the trend line, the retest in the 30-minute time frame as well. It was just perfect. Perfecto. Look at that GJ just faking that area out. Whoa. Yeah, GJ has been pretty nasty. How is the stops like at now, like at 8 o'clock? 1.13.
Nice song.
What is... Thing is, I can't ask an opinion. I was gonna say, what is the best movie? What? Good.
I mean, that's very accurate.
Yeah, that's what I would have said. That's mad how they just whipped that into the world. So GJ over here is flipping the hourly. So you can see even with that high volume here, rejected, and yeah, now it's gonna be pretty nasty, eh? Lord is painful, yeah. Well, this is what I would say, right? To any trader who's here, like I would, you know, try not to just focus on what's happening right now with the price. If you know deep down that it's a range of market, it's time to do other things. It's a waste of time, right? In this time period, remember, trading is meant to be a thing that you don't do all fucking day. I know some people want to, but for me, I fucking don't. That's the only reason why I got into this shit. You know, having days, having time for yourself is perfect. So in this case, if you know that the chart is shit, one, if you're learning to trade and the chart is shit, what can potentially happen if you stay in the chart is you take a trade which wasn't there because you're just bored, right? You're bored, you take a trade that's risky, and then you lose. Now you're even pissed off even more because you know it was a bad day. You took a losing trade when you should have just left the day, right? That's the first thing. So getting off the charts when you know price is bad, you know, if they're both bad, then just leave it alone, right? Do something else in your day. Go back test. It's that thing where you're sitting on the chart all the time. You're like, oh, maybe I'll try this cheeky trade, and then you lose it, and you're like, oh my god, really? That's when it can really fuck you up. So in terms of that, what I would do if I was learning is I would just put on alerts, put on levels that you like, and if it's in your time that you want to trade with a high volume, then take them. So for me, I'd probably have an alert below 1780, and I'll probably have an alert above 1787 on gold, and then that's me done. I can go about my day and do whatever I want, because realistically, in that time, you know, you're not going to be doing much in terms of the charts, and you just wait, and I'll have an alert above 144 here on EJ. So it's pretty simple with the alerts. It's good, makes it easy. Lord, give me patience. So painful, these charts. Oh, good rejection on there. EJ looking like it probably will join with GJ as well. To get to the highs, boy. Shame that it's just before this closure. Well, we'll see. I think in terms of sessions, why not trading both London and NY where you have the opportunity? I consider 2 sessions as 2 days, so you get 10 days in 5 days a week. Yeah, that's true. That is true. So I think maybe an extra 50-minute candle and we might be there. 50-minute close bearish, 30-minute close bullish, so it's okay. It's still only 8:30 though, so it's still very early on. So don't you fret. Don't you fret. How's the 4 hour looking now? Yeah, it's still got a support to break, but then later on 1780 would be nice. I think, guys, so in terms of some Christmas stuff, I think I'm gonna what the fuck did Brian just take there? What time frame was that?
5, I think.
The 5 at 8 o'clock with the volume. Nice. Holding that support nicely, eh? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a big backtesting session of the whole of gold. I'll do it in like different parts, obviously. But starting in January and just going through the whole year right now with all the things that we've learned from this year, putting them in place. Write them all down. So that'll be with also the trend lines of just every single thing that we do on gold. Because I think in the new year, yeah, I think focusing on gold is going to be what I want to do, to be honest with you. The zones are cleaner, the trades push harder, the spreads are better, and it's just a nicer pair to trade. It seems to hold levels well, so that's what we'll do. Right, I'm sick of this music. Let's put some good music on. I was actually listening to my old tunes on my phone, like from like 2010. Man, there was some bangers there. Mate, there was some bangers on there. Try and get them. Actually. See if anyone remembers it. Yeah, like a song like this. Like this is just this. Everyone knows this song probably, but just hearing it like for fucking years. Bit of Coldplay and Rihanna. Put Rave Baby track on.
Oh, that song.
Yeah.
Oh, that bad.
Like when I was listening to, because when I connect to my car, it puts on my like Apple Music. I don't use it. I use Spotify. So it has all my old songs that I bought for like 50p when I was like 10.
Mm.
And like, you know, if I was spending 50p, I would have had to fucking bribe my dad to let me buy it. So those songs must be fucking banging. I wouldn't have just bought no bullshit song.
Man, if I found my old iPod, I don't even know what would be on there. It'd take me way back.
And this song as well, I was raving with this last night, man. Some OG Black Eyed Peas. This is Hey Mama. My mum and dad love this song.
Mine would be filled up with Tiny Temper.
Yeah, me too. That's what mine is.
Click. You know that song Click?
Yeah.
But all that shit, bro. Tinty Strider.
Tinty Strider, yeah. Tinty Strider. I got Spaceship on this. Fucking sick song.
Labyrinth.
Yeah.
All that.
Yeah. Literally, that's literally what all mine are. They had some bangers though. Tiny Temper. Like, I don't think they would have. They didn't crack America, did they? Wait, Tyler, do you know this song?
Labyrinth
I know
is
Tiny Temper.
clear.
Like one or two of his songs.
You see Labyrinth, yeah? he's producing for all the big TV shows, like music wise, for like
Really?
Euphoria, all that, bro. Like, a Labyrinth is gone clear. Like, he's gone clear. He's breaded now. He just makes music for all these TV shows and shit.
Wow. Whenever I don't get in, I try to set alerts at TP and stop loss and another F break when I would put stops there and watch how it plays out. Oh, nice. Good stuff, man. Live back test. Good shit. Good stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker.
Man, when we're playing Black Ops and playing this song in the background the whole time. Ah.
Cause I make you ugly. As soon as it drops, we're on a rampage. Bubbles popping up before you know it. There's rubble and dust, cause we'll be fucking it up.
Yeah, I like this song, which I don't actually remember. Yeah, this song. Watercolor by Pendulum. I like it. Like a bit of drum and bass as well. Some house music. So yeah, we're just waiting for price to really break out of these zones. I'm still waiting. I have my eye on EJ on the left hand side. So that's what I'm waiting for, really. Underground house music. Yeah, Goldie is playing with people's lives today. Just a little bit. Got all of like KSI's old songs on here as well. Look at Andrea, she's in the B today. Busy.
Where's Polly?
Yeah, I don't know. To be fair, towards this time of Christmas though, it does get like a little bit quiet. Family sort out presents to buy and shit. Always gets a little bit busier. Yeah. How do you use the indicator for Asian session marked? You just type in Asian range Nico 948, and then you just that's it. Sets the range out for Asian lows, Asian highs. It's normally good for some good trades like supers, closure back in the zones, rejecting highs and stuff. It's just good to have it there. So who's rooting for Brazil tomorrow? Charleston going against Korea, pure class. Oh, I really want Korea to win, man. Tinchy Strider's and N dubs as well. Like he did half of this. Oh, this is the song that I like. This one. Did you watch the Spain versus Morocco? Yeah, I watched clips of it. Yeah, it was good, man. It's very nice. Morocco won. It's on the pens too. Yeah. Yes, come on, EJ.
I think Gold might just create a W on like the hourly, and then come back up, and then flip on the daily. If that happens today, but
come back down to 1780 first.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. So I'm thinking it come down to like 1780, 1781 wick, and then I don't know. It could do anything, but it's just because on my 4 hours, just got no top wick.
Yeah.
On my daily,
I've got no top wick.
It's got a massive wick.
Yes.
Huh?
The fucking.
It's all wick.
Are you,
The whole
bro?
thing's a wick.
The 4 hours just opened like just then. What do you mean? What time 4 hour open for you?
I got another hour of it.
That's good.
Huh?
My hourly doesn't have a top wick.
Bro, my hourly candle now is the 4 hour top wick. It's the 4 hour candle.
Yeah, you were just closing an hour earlier.
No, mine opened at 8 a.m. But what?
I don't know.
That's so mad though, isn't it? Like, the charts are so different.
That's the reason I was holding that trade, because there was no top wick on the 4 hour. So, but now I'm looking at your chart. I'm like,
I got the biggest wick going, bro.
News hourly doesn't have a top wick.
what?
Yeah, that's his 4 hour top wick.
Yeah, that is my 4 hour. Okay, all right. See, that's why I don't like trading with you, because it doesn't match my chart. But I might have to try.
It's just because it's just wherever the broker's from, they use the time there, so time is a little bit.
What broker are you on?
I use True Forex funds, but they're associated with IC markets.
I don't know why though, because mine's fucking completely different.
I'm gonna check my other account, see what that.
And then totally true. Yeah. He did have that higher going break, which you see more commonly.
Yeah, that's weird. I'm on my actual live account, and that's got a massive 4 hours a week. I think it's because the True Forex funds is a European fucking like team account.
Okay, yeah.
So they might just go off like European times. So 4 hours opened at 4 a.m.
Is it like on a mobile also, or just on your terminal?
Yeah, my phone. The 4 hour starts at midnight for me, and then goes from there. So the daily candle, like when the daily opens, my 4 hour opens as well. Is it the reason it's different on the trading views because that is mostly American ones? Does that not matter?
I don't know. No idea.
Just based on the broker time.
Yeah.
Does that mean say I could potentially be seeing a trade? Yeah, that's valid. But then,
Well, no, because the candles are the same. It's just the 4 hour, like the higher time frames will be.
the higher time frames are different, right? Yeah.
Well, in your daily would be a little different for part of the day.
Yeah, my daily is different actually.
Anything above the hourly candle would be slightly different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's not bad then. Like, we mostly take trades on that.
Lower time.
Yeah, bring me down.
That's another one. Yeah.
Boy,
You
I'm
won't
a
say-
FIFA.
Well, as long as the price is the same. That if the
Yeah,
price
that's
is-
when you got an
then-
issue.
No, that's when I'm taking the opposite trade to everyone. If my trash is different.
Yeah, 15 didn't really close above. Go wait for this 30. It's 15 salary, so impulsive, but it's right at the red, so I want to be cautious. So EJ's looking good. Might wait for a retest after break during 9. Yeah, me too. Me too, me too.
Miami to Ibiza, huh?
Yeah, this is in my top 3 songs.
I haven't heard that one in forever either.
Yeah, man, fine. And me too happy. Oh, what a song as well from Tiny.
I just listened to that like 5 minutes ago.
I love trading. You
I
just
think that
gotta
was
wait.
the
Yeah, man.
First one.
Huh?
I think that was the first Tiny Temple song I'd ever heard.
Really? And listening now, you say that you ain't heard nothing like this in a while. So many people, so many different times. Child. Barap. So yeah, I think it's the only thing here is maybe EJ 30 minutes or so. Breaking 30-minute highs. Nearly the 4 hour. Oh. Is breaking 30-minute and 4-hour highs at the same time, so it may push up, but I'd rather wait for this closure. Especially before, if you look at past data at this level, it doesn't run off straight away, so we can chill out. W? Yeah. See if it holds it. God, GJ really is shit, eh? Are you on a live funded account on Trust FX Funds at the person talking on stream, Lewis?
Yo.
Are you live funded?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, in an hour's time, how this 4-hour closes is going to be interesting because the close is bearish below my 1780 level, like on the hourly here. That would be nice. Continue down, but I mean, in terms of the daily time frame did close bullish, and it closed bullish above the resistance, the previous resistance. So it's still very much of a bullish day so far. It just means that, you know, maybe the start of the day it's making a daily lower wick, right? But I do think we're probably going to make some support at some point. So what's people's plans for this weekend? What's the weekend going to be? So the 10th and the 11th of December. Oh my God, it's getting close. I had some mulled wine last weekend. I like it sometimes. Sometimes it's a bit like, ugh. It's like hot sangria. Do you guys have is it mulled wine or mulled wine? Mulled wine in America? Is that a thing?
I don't even know what that is, man.
Like hot wine. Let's call it
Hot wine?
yeah, it's fucking. I think it's wine, isn't it? Yeah, mulled wine. Yeah, it's like I swear it's just like sangria, but just fucking hot.
I mean, they might have it. I've never.
Yeah,
had
like
it,
this
though.
shit is like hot. Like it's It's nice actually. I like it. Yeah, like proper like. I think that's what it is, right? Is anyone in Europe who like knows sangria? It's just sangria in it, just hot, maybe with a couple more spices and like more Christmassy.
I work in wine production.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, so it says right here it's traditionally drank during the winter, especially around Christmas. It's usually served at Christmas markets in Europe, primarily in Germany. Oh, that's why I don't know what it is.
You guys, the alcohol always a bit odd, eh?
It looks good.
Yeah. You guys, the alcohol, I wouldn't say it's in your culture as much, is it?
I think it depends on. Well, no, because like I'm in the Bay Area in California, and like we have the wineries just to the north.
It's the partyings, because they don't have pubs, do they? So it's like more just house parties and like college.
Yeah.
We got a lot of.
Huh?
Yeah, like pubs.
Bars. That's like
yeah, they're bars. Yeah, not pubs though.
You know what I mean? Like I'd take a girl to a bar. I won't take I'll go to the pub with some friends. Like,
yeah. The pub is just a fucking place for alcoholics though. It's just like, every time I step in there, I'm like, oh god, it's fucking here. I can't wait to down 4 fucking pints straight off the bat. Like it's just dirty. And they're all like midget as well. Like, have you ever been to a pub, Tyler? Like an actual like an old like pub in the Europe?
No.
Yeah, so like obviously it was built fucking years and years and years ago, so it's tiny, right? Because obviously back in the days people were smaller. It's like the doors are fucking tiny. It's like a fucking most of them are like hobbit houses. If you go to a proper old pub, like you have to like crawl in. You feel like Gandalf going in.
I've not run into that problem.
Really? Nah, you're not going to some proper pubs, bro.
For me, I've not been to a pub where it's like I've only been to one pub in my life though.
Ah, okay. I've been to fucking billions.
Yeah. What? So fucking hell.
Yeah, like some of them are really, really small. Like,
is that like more just up north? Like,
well, it's just where old pubs are. I don't know. Old pubs are probably up north, yeah, because most people just worked in the mines and then fucking got drunk to drink their sorrows away, probably.
I don't know. I'm just always like clubs, like.
Yeah, I've always liked clubs. All my lads quite like the pubs, but I like the clubs. But yeah, like, used to love it.
I don't really fit in with like the lad culture. Like, I don't know. Like, I have friends that are like that. Like, just proper like. See, like my friends are builders and that, like that are.
Yeah,
that do, like,
but that's what
like, hey.
You need to remember. It's fucking and that's it's funny because I was talking to my brother about this because he's like, oh, I don't know what to do, man. Maybe I should just like do an apprenticeship, like learning like a skill. I don't know, like building or something. I go, you would fucking despise it because the people that work there, like the banner all day is football, the lads, let's go get drunk and talk about drugs. Oh, look, there's a fit lass walking past. Like, that's all their banner is. Like, that's literally all it is. Like, it's such a fucking low IQ job.
You would get to the piss out of, like, every first builder, like, my friend once, yeah, he rode his bike to work, like, this is like a couple years ago now. I think it's the first time. He rode his bike to work, yeah. He done scaffolding. They put his bike on the 20, like, They put his bike on the top of a scaffolding pole, yeah, and stuck the scaffolding pole to like 20 feet fucking high.
Oh my god!
Put his bike on the top of it. It's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, they fuck about with like new people and shit.
Well, we did that when I was in the army too. Like, we would duct tape the new people.
Right, I'm not gonna lie, guys. This M formation's looking pretty sexy. It's at resistance. Your stop would be at 144, which is a big resistance as we've just seen. The zone below, I suppose, is maybe a little bit of an F, but how big is it really to the supports? Yeah, like 15 pips. 12 pip stop. Trying to get it to the 1T. 143,816. So when it comes back up to 9:30, I'm gonna take a little information. From Miami to Ibiza.
She posts for FHM. She like my black LV. We spilling LPR. APC. I'm in my PRPS and my night SBs.
I had to leave me start. Please vacancy lifted trades after 9 minutes. Yeah. Oh my god. Sweetest house my PI. You can find me. I wake up in the morning. Okay, I took an entry there, guys. Got in a little bit earlier because there's no bottom wick again. Very nice. 920. 12 pips. To continue back down to 143,666. Oh, 666.
Man, I gotta remember what setting it is to turn that tone off.
It's somewhere. It's.
Yeah, I'll find it right now.
Yeah.
Because on some of my windows it's turned off, but on some of them it's not.
From someone is overtrading in the background. Nah, I think he's trying to set his things on.
Ah, there it is. Play sound. There we go.
Don't. Dun, 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 dun.
Sounded like chat was used to that song then.
Oh, there, join OpenAI. That's what I need. Join OpenAI.
It's super interesting, man.
Isn't it? I just want to know how they're gonna monetize things. They're just gonna get people to pay just to use it, or
Well, they're saying that it's in the research phase, so they're making it free right now. But there are other products you have to pay for the API. So companies use it. There are other products.
Really? That's fucking. It's a bit of a madness.
EJ pushing the wrong way.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, start of the. It's fucking volume coming in a second. Can I meet without a smoke? Where is the Daniel Savage sound like GG went to the moon? What, are the Daniel Savage in the chat? Yeah. My guy trolls all the time, just comes in. It's not the actual Daniel Savage, it's some fucking dude.
Shot slide on bitches, posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching, mind on missions, mind on pussy and millions, mind on pussy and millions. I'm trying to call
My kids up.
I don't want to say it, but if this hourly just shoots up with no more wit.
It's still okay.
Wait, check your hour. Is that? Alright, I'm fucking tripping.
You're looking at your times again.
Nah, bro, my hourly bullish. What the fuck?
Yeah, mine goes bullish. Mine goes bullish. It's fine.
Wait. Oh,
Yeah.
you're the 15 minute. I was tripping for a second. I was like, what?
Oh, your charts are looking ass.
Alright, nah, it's because bro, I'm tired. That's why I've been up all night.
Your fucking mic.
Bro, my bad. I dropped my phone. I can't be fucked to pick it up.
Your mic just feels like it's just in a fucking.
Nah, sometimes I
tumble
just leave
dryer.
it. Like sometimes I just leave it let down in it, and I just can't fuck to pick it up.
It might be the case he's using.
Nah, it was on my bed sheet.
Yeah, it might be the case because it's the same with your old phone. It's just like a bit like mashed. Let's get down to 15. Yeah. Just make it the hourly topic. I'm like giving outside on bitches, posting outside. Are you in? Daniels. Andrew Tate. Where's this video with Aiden Ross as well? I wanna watch that shit. He did a video of Aiden Ross. Bring on the motherfucking. Bigger, more money, more problems. You come with the status. Love that, Travis. Also, does anyone know what's going on with Travis Scott? He's kind of got off the hook, hasn't he? If they found out like it really wasn't his fault, and I think that's kind of what's happened, isn't it? Because he seems to be just doing the usual. I thought he had loads of like suing him and shit. He's still performing and stuff, so. Rich flex for me. 21. Can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21. Can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21. Yeah, this GJ is probably gonna get down as well. 440. Looks alright. I DM my pen this morning. I do that shit a lot. Mate, I think that 21 Savage has sorted Drake out there so much. I saw some guy saying like Drake was going on his little thing. He needs some like gangster, make him rap a little bit harder again. Smacker, booty, and magic. Bitch, call your uncle. Bitch, don't call me. People are always enraged for about 1 to 2 weeks, then you never hear about it again. Yeah, that's so true. So true. Happens all the time, doesn't it?
It's because no one actually like cares about the people, like the victims, yeah.
They're just doing it for their own social gain.
Yeah. So the victims are probably still like pressing charges, and they're probably still going through all the court cases with him, but they don't care about the publicity thing. It's the ones that wasn't there. It's the ones that wasn't there.
Yeah.
But what happened? I feel like I'm out of the loop.
The Travis Scott, like the concerts, like people were dying in them and shit. They were overfilled and people loads of people died and shit in America somewhere.
Yeah, I remember hearing about that.
Yeah. Pretty nasty.
Hey Max, you're trading EJ half risk or you're going 1%?
That's usual, man. 1.4.
Usual.
Yeah. Shout out to the 6, RP the 8. What was the trade idea? We were at resistance. We rejected the resistance twice, making a M formation and a closure below the neckline. 4-hour rejected, daily rejected. So we should fill this zone up now. And a second reason is because it's just too much bad news every day, so they just move on to the Yep. I've been out late night, could be sunshine on beaches. I was thinking the same thing.
The album good. I didn't even listen to it.
What, the new one? Drake's
Yeah.
new one? Yeah, man, it's fucking sick. I've listened to it all day.
I think our Metro Boomin's got the best album of the year.
Metro Boomin!
So
It's
good, man.
Metro Boomin!
Metro Boomin, make it boom. Make it boom, boom.
Yeah, I do quite like Metro Boomin. He's involved in so many fucking songs, eh?
Yeah, he was on a bunch of them for a while.
Fuck dress code. Go on, GJ. Yeah, it's only 83 pips of profit or so. Looks like it's been quite a lot, but it hasn't.
Me, Spider-Man, and Leonardo. I'm back tomorrow. I had to chop it to a wedding out in Monaco.
Monte Carlo.
I'm losing track of where we all go. I wouldn't trade my life for none of y'all's. It's an embargo. 59 bags on a 767. This is heavy cargo.
59 bands.
59 bags. Hey.
Yeah, it's just like a vibe. It's just relaxing tunes. And then when the beat comes in, it comes soon.
Club line should have come with us. We left that shit in 09 when we was coming up. I mean, these just my suggestions, of course. I'm right here fresh off divorce, and I'm trying to look in her eyes, maybe express my remorse. If she wanna rebound with me, I'm down to go get her some boards. I'm here for the moral support. Whipping the vest ball for 6 tequilas. Big Benjamins like the Pittsburgh Steelers. Drake, you got it. Robert Kraft sent the jet for us. That shit was patriotic. You would think we live in Baltimore the way they rave about the latest product. Teaching niggas how to mind their business, and my latest stuff might be the only teacher that
Did you move stops on EJ? Nah, no. It looks like it's moved a lot, but it hasn't. It's only moved like 3 pips.
Niggas are too concerned with making sure your outfits gon' match in pairs.
I'm like, I'm only up 2.7.
Yeah.
And I'm like the acting sheriff deputy. First got to America, niggas wouldn't check for me. No chance the kid'll make it here like vasectomy. They underestimated my trajectory, but now they gotta pay that shit direct to me. I sent a label bills like the other 2 women standing next to B. That shit was just independent women is loving a new appearance. Matter of time before I go netter be like a Paris. Like, honey, you gotta know that I never wore Michael Mary's or never hopped in a years. I got my head in the clouds.
I'm serious.
The lyrics begin to reveal themselves over time periods. Promise you'll get that shit when the sky clears. This shit designed for divine ears. My favorite 2 words from you white boys is sign here. And then comes the sound of glass clinking from a wine chair.
5 minutes left.
Swear I'm pocket checking y'all for 5 years, and then we about to kick this shit in high gear. 8 carats like vegetarians. Nigga, the ears are droopy. Contract Lord of the Rings. Think it's a script for the movie. Shout out TV Gucci, my cousin is spooky. I swear you don't even mean what y'all say, like y'all dubbing a movie. Sidebar, Serena, your husband a groupie. He claim we don't got a problem, but Nobu it is like you coming for sushi. We might pop up on them at
100%.
like Suzuki, Kawasaki, sushi, sake. The money grow on trees like shiitake. They try to get spicy with me, so
I don't know how people fucking write music like this shit.
really on a roll like
Couldn't do it.
Hamachi. The fuck would y'all really do without me?
OpenAI.
Yeah. Yeah. OpenAI got your back.
Off the cup like Yahtzee, and Paris Hilton was steady ducking the paparazzi.
Got your back, boy.
I really can't remember
it properly.
All I know is that God got me. I'm sitting on large property. Treat me like a newborn Lucian, not dropping me. I'm going Pink Floyd. You niggas cannot rock with me. She could be giving me head and somehow you not topping me. Niggas see the 6 guy pass, they high fiving me. Need to be high 6 of me. Swear niggas high key sick of me. They wifey on my head cause I vibe differently. Feel like an Amber Alert the way that I could take her to the mall and she find Tiffany. I'm like a cup holder the way that these dimes stick to me. They should have been in the fountain based on what y'all wishing me.
So coming towards an area that we talked about, didn't we? A little over the area. So I may go break even here. Yeah, go break even. Stop loss to break even. Let's free trade.
About 100 hoes. We up and we living like that, boy. Fresh fly, fresh like, you understand me? Like real G shit. You're a neighborhood superstar. It's bigger than anything. You know, stuff.
Because TP will be next pair.
You heard me? We look down and we'll be down, but we staying up. And we rise up and we stay on them. You heard me? Big water, ocean. On that type of time.
GJ's gonna push too.
Rich nigga, rich life. You understand me? Come from the bottom, but we come from the bottom. But we understand the bottom because we come from it and we live it. Understand? Go to our grave about this here, boy. Yeah.
Down, down, down.
I've been out late night creeping, shot slide.
I took the walk. Yeah, the reason why I was cautious was that little OB that we talked about, didn't we? Could be a little bit of a discussion. I took the walk to Poland. We do know that EJ does move much slower until it gets going, and then when it gets going, but it does take much longer than expected. EJ entry 143,970. Oh, Brian, nice. On the 15. I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. Dum dum do. Come on, AJ, you can't. Gonna get tapped out over here.
I'm out.
I'm in it with the skin of my teeth. I'm just about in it.
You survived.
Breaks that high, fuck. Why did you enter sell here? Sorry, I missed it. It was an M formation. So what we've known is that if you're at resistance, and you have an M, which is pretty much a double top, right? And you close below the neckline, you get a retest. You normally get a nice drive down. Walking on a dream. Oh, I might be safe here. No, Tyler. I fucking hate it when it's done that so much recently, eh? Taps some people out, keeps some people in, and it's like, doesn't even feel like a win anymore.
Spread's even bad. EJ. Oh yeah, between 1 and 1.7.
And
Okay, I'm just walking on the dream.
no top wick on the 15, EJ, please. Please.
That's enough. That's enough.
It was a good entry though. A little bit higher up, you could have got something. Wow, pushed him hard. Straight away though, I could see the candles here rejecting quite hard in the lower time frame. So. Now, no, you can't. Had the same energy.
Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sound. Let's consume.
Walking. I think I'm kissed. Goldie looking like it came back up. Very, very nice. Come on, push me, boy. So, stop was like 12, wasn't it? Don't stop. Keep going, do it. Push, boy. We bad a whole 2-minute celery. Man, the music is fire. Yeah, after it took you out, Tyler, eh?
Yeah.
By the pip. Yeah, I was fucking close there, Jesus. I'm surprised it didn't actually tap me out. Mission leg and buys in the 4 support and goal with the confirmation of lower time frames. Causing bullish support. Also the fact that the previous 1 hour doesn't have a top wick. Probably next one will go. Yeah, 100%. Very nice.
There's no way you still in that trade.
Yeah, boy.
For fuck's sake. I fully lost. I lost money from break even because the commission, like.
Oh, I don't go break even.
Cost me like £140 just to enter that fucking trade.
Yeah.
I moved at half a pip into profit.
To be fair, it's so hot. To be fair, how big are your spreads though? It's all about your spreads, man. If your spreads
My spread on EJ is 1 pip. Or not 1 pip, like one. What's it called? 0.1 pip. If that's how you measure it.
Damn,
How do you measure it?
Get the best spreads in the fucking chat.
Shit.
Yo, what is it? It's like there isn't.
What does it say on it? What does it say here?
0.1. That's like the EU.
Let me see. Does it say that? Oh, 1.
1. Oh yeah. So it's it's good.
Not 1, 0. Just
1, 0, 10.
No, 1 or 0. It like
okay. Wow.
Yeah, same as GU. GU 0. EJ.
What?
Yeah.
It's all depend. The thing is, it's so hard with the retest because it's just on where you enter. I said I got in a little bit earlier than 9:30. So
I had
9:22.
2 entries. One at 9:23 and one at 9:09. 9:09 was early, but the 9:23. Obviously, I had to put that one break even to like even out.
Yeah.
My loss in it. But I literally just lost like
on commissions more than just break even.
I think the thing, but the one thing with their funder accounts is sometimes the spreads, not the spread, the commission can be quite large, eh? That's how they fuck you as well.
My commissions are stupid. So I opened up a 10 lot. A 10 lot on EJ is 70 pound.
What?
Oh, so you're at 7
commission
per standard lot.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's on EJ. On gold, a 10 lot is 35 pound.
Yeah, that's why I don't really. It's not.
Yeah, and GJ is GJ and gold is 35 pound. No, wait. Oh no, GJ's 70 pound. So £7 a lot.
That's not too bad. I've heard worse. I think MFF is quite bad for that. I think.
But yeah, no, it does piss me off sometimes. I can't lie. Like today alone, is £700 in commission.
Wow.
So if otherwise, I would end the day at 3K in profit, because commissions is like 2.8.
Yeah. Oh, will you hurry up and give me my fucking money?
This is exciting. I'm excited too. Great. Most people are disappointed. British.
Broke the hourly lows, which is good.
Damn, I'm fucking vexed about that, man. I fully thought that.
It's literally just down to the retail, and that's the thing, you know. I mean, it
was my fault on the shit entry.
To be honest, it's just when you click, it's just how it is, you know.
Because I kind of did rush it a bit, because when I heard you're like, I'll go entry, and I'm like, fuck. I feel like if I don't get in at least on like,
you got the FOMO.
Entry. Yeah, I got a bit, because I was like, if I don't get in at least one lot, it might just fly. Cause it happens to me all the time where I'm just like,
yeah, I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's just you know, taking the trade. You know?
No, I'm cool. I've took the gold trip. Was made back some of my losses for this week anyway. So
all good.
Yeah, it's been a fucking difficult week. I can't lie. I'll be straight with that one.
Why we joined up, what it's all about for us. Okay. Any beers while we get acquainted? Yes. Beers? No.
Let's take a look.
Let me see.
Again and again. MFF is only 3. Oh wow. These different ones.
I want to see one more.
Oh, I'm gonna close here, guys. I just see in the 5. Yeah. See if you get it. I'm gonna tell the chat to close here. Touching that OB, literally now. Beautiful. So I closed here 830. Very, very nice. Just because there's 5 in here, the candle before the push breaks the high, it could have a reaction, and obviously it fucked around for a while. So yeah, like a 9 pip gain. Very, very nice. Beautiful.
My win percentage this week is currently at 40%.
Just a low one today. Okay.
Yeah, no, last week was a good week. I had 100% last week.
Oh shit, let me do that one.
I was like, damn, you wanna go again?
Brian in the chat says, pay me. If you came back on the Zoom, you can't. I miss the voices, man. Beautiful.
It's not
very,
enough
very
action.
Nice. Longest 9 pips of my life. Still got him though, boy.
That was like a little over half hour.
Yeah.
I feel like.
EJ did not bring the volume today.
Oh, that's every EJ trade, it seems like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have like a 2-hour nap and then come back. But
good idea. Got a beautiful trade here this morning, guys. Nice little 9-10 pips on EJ. Took its time, but it finally got there. Beautiful work.
See you, man, in a bit.
See you in a bit, brother.
Are you doing NY and then a sim?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, thank you, Max W. Yeah, boy. So, as time goes on, I really want to make this clear in terms of... I think this is what I'm going to do, right? Because the people in the YouTube, people will not get how we trade, like especially with an entry like that, because they obviously haven't been with the mentorship and they don't know. So I might just do a simulation on each like trade strategy or setup, sorry. So you guys actually know the score. Tashi, well done, brother. So I'll update the trades taken. I need actually I need to update my gold trades before as well, which were rather annoying, but anyway. But just to show you guys, this is the transparency, which I wish other people did do, to be honest. But anyway, it's okay. December, I need to obviously add my other 2 trades on there, but I'll do it on this and I can delete them. So took the trade at 8:55 or so probably at 8:56 when we did it. In terms of the signal, obviously I said close at 9:20, so you actually got like 11 pips out of it on the signal. So this is what obviously this is for the signals called. I don't know if I should use mine or not. I mean, it's 1 pip difference, doesn't really make a fucking difference, does it? Okay, so stop loss was 0.51, which is 12 pips. So let's just write this on here. 8. Let me just do this as well. Okay, so on the 8th, Euro, JPY. So there's an M. Retest is there now, yeah. 5 minutes. Stop loss is 12. That goes full. 9. The signal said 10, but I'll just do what I've done, I suppose. It doesn't really make a difference, but anyway. Then you drag this down. So 1.05 for the morning. Easy work. Okay. I'll add my other ones on. But yeah. Oh, if we ever get out of here. Okay, so obviously it's 9:27 now. What will I be looking for later on? To be honest with you, it'll be gold buys. I think the gold buys are going to happen later on. If we come back above 1878, I think that'll be good. Sells could also be realistic, but I do want to be a little bit cautious to this 4-hour support, so it'll be definitely below 1780. GJ, yeah, I'm not asked about GJ today. Don't care about it, really. Signal was great. Exactly hit TP1. Nice, Max. Yeah, did I actually hit 1817 on the T? Yep. Nice. Hit that
if you didn't get stopped out.
If you didn't get stopped out, yeah. Yeah, beautiful work, guys. So thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later on. See you guys. Adios, amigos. Yeah. Peace out. Peace out, guys. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on, and peace out.